In your project browser, choose the floor plan. In the Architecture tab, select Model Line. Hover over the center of the south-facing wall until you get a triangle that designates that the midpoint of the line. Select that point and draw a vertical line straight down. Right mouse button, cancel. Do the same on this west-facing wall. Hover over the center of the wall until you get a magenta triangle that designates the midpoint of the wall. Select that point and draw a horizontal line. Right mouse button, cancel. In the Architecture tab, select Door, and in the Properties menu, select this door, the 36 by 84 inch version. Hover over this south-facing wall until the center line of the door snaps to the model line that you just created. Make sure that the door swings in. You could change the swing of the door by selecting these parallel blue arrows. And you could change the swing of the door using these horizontal pair of blue arrows. Make it a right-handed door or a left-handed door. Right mouse button, cancel. Go to your Architecture tab one more time and select Window. In your Properties menu, select this window, the double hung with trim, 36 by 48, and place it 4 feet from the south-facing wall. These double blue arrows should be on the exterior. Select the double blue arrows to toggle the orientation of the window such that these double arrows are on the exterior. With the window still selected, choose this command, the mirror command. Select the horizontal model line that you created earlier, and it creates a mirror copy of the first window. Hold down your Control key and select both windows. Both windows should be highlighted blue. Select this command again, the Mirror Pick Axis command, and point to the vertical model line that you created earlier. And now you'll have 4 windows. Right mouse button, cancel. Go to your south elevation view. In the Architecture tab, select Window. In your Properties menu, select this item, the attic vent gable. Place the vent at the gable end. Right mouse button, cancel. Right mouse button, cancel. The gable vent should not touch the roof or you'll get an error. You can select the vent. It should be about 1 inch away from the roof. You can move it up and down and left and right with your arrow keys. Right mouse button, cancel. Choose your north elevation view. Go to Windows one more time. Select the same attic vent and place it at the end of the gable. Right mouse button, cancel. Right mouse button, cancel. In your Quick Access toolbar, select the 3D command. Rotate your shed to inspect your work. I'm going to update my drawing to add a south elevation and an east elevation. Go to my elevation views, highlight south, right mouse button, duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. I'm going to select the new view in my project browser, and I'm going to select rename. I'm going to call it South Elevation. I'm going to turn on crop region, and I'm going to highlight it and adjust the crop region. I'm going to turn off the crop region. I'm going to lengthen this elevation line so that it's even with this one. I'm going to select the line, grab this grip, and bring it across so that it snaps to the length of the one below it. I want to hide these reference planes. I'm going to select one and select Temporary Hide Isolate. Select Hide Category. I'm going to go down to my drawing, the under Sheets, select it, grab my south elevation and drag it out onto the drawing. I'm going to do the same process on the east elevation. And select east elevation, right mouse button, duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. Select the new view, right mouse button, rename, and I'm going to call it east elevation. I'm going to turn on the crop region. Select it and resize it. And hide my crop region. I'm going to hide the reference planes. Select one reference plane and select Temporary Hide Isolate. Hide Category. Select my sheet and drag the new east elevation out onto the sheet. Zoom in and align the new view with the south elevation, and then make sure that these two elevation lines are approximately at the same level, and they are. So your updated drawing should look like this. Go to the Revit menu and select Print. Under the printer name, select Adobe PDF. Select Properties and verify that the layout is landscape. Notice where your file will be stored. In this case, I'm storing it in my Documents folder. Select this radio button, select Views, select, and make sure the sheet that you've been working on is checked and that it is the only sheet that's checked. Select OK and OK. Leave Temporary Hide Isolate mode on. Your PDF drawing should look like this. Go to Canvas and submit this drawing to complete your assignment.